case you were wondering, that was Nelly the Elephant by the Toy Dolls mixed into the traditional Christmas carol, We Three Kings. Not a natural pairing, but one of the musical dishes that was served up today at the Christmas carol service in Grimsby Minster in northeast England, with heavy metal featuring prominently on the menu. The Reverend George Smith, who's a heavy metal fan, conducted the service. How did she think it went?
It was absolutely brilliant, thank you. We had about 200 people turned up, and it was just wonderful because there was people of all ages. There was little kids dancing at the front, and there was older people dancing as well. So it was just a real good, fun kind of Christmassy vibe.
So, more of a mosh pit than a congregation?
That's exactly right. And some people did try and sit down, but at the start we made everyone come and stand to the front. We moved all the chairs, so there was a mosh pit area right at the front, right in front of the stage, right in front of all the speakers and everything, so people all stood around there dancing. And
was it all heavy metal music?
On the whole, what we did was we mixed traditional carols with heavy metal music, so it was everyone's favourite Christmas songs, but, you know, as they'd never heard them before, so...
That sounds a bit discordant.
Well, yeah, some people might think it is, but it worked really well. Like, we had the We Will Rock You riff going while we sang Little Drummer Boy and things like that, and the We Three Kings with the chorus lended itself really went into the punk song Nelly the Elephant and stuff like that, so it's just really good fun, really.
And was this all about getting bottoms on seats in the Minster?
No, not at all. To be honest, me and the other organiser, Simon Cross, we're just really big heavy metal fans ourselves, and Vinny, who sorted the band. So we just thought it would be a good, fun thing to do. You know, just everyone have a laugh, everyone had a good time. But as well as that, it did seem to make perfect sense because, you know, this music brings people of all different ages and all different walks of life together. And that really is what the Christian message at Christmas is, thinking about Christ being born, thinking about his love being shown, and that it's inclusive and that it's available for everyone.
Was everybody at the Minster happy that you should be doing this?
Yes, they were, definitely, yeah. I think there was one or two slightly anxious faces that all the speakers might blow through the stained glass windows. You know, everyone came and everyone had a good time, so...
And, of course, you were raising money for charity as well.
That's right. We were raising money for homelessness, specifically for the YMCA here in Grimsby and Cleethorpes. And, again, that seemed to lend itself really well because, you know, Jesus himself, when he was born, he didn't have a home. And so it really lended itself well, and in Jesus' life he was a bit of an outcast, and obviously a lot of people who listen to heavy metal can seem like they're outcasts. So the whole theme of metal and homelessness and Christianity just all seemed to hang together so well, and we're pleased that on the way out loads of people donated so generously to the YMCA fund.
In case you didn't know, Highway to Hell by AC/DC, and I was speaking to the Reverend George Smith of Grimsby Minster.